In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share Amazon Prime account membership with your friends. If you have the feature of Amazon Prime, now you can share this feature or this benefit with other people. For that, you just open up your Amazon shopping app. Once you are logged in and once you have opened up your Amazon app, you just tap on the human icon on the bottom. From here, you'll see a similar interface. On the top, you'll see a couple of options. You just tap on your account and scroll down a bit. Under account setting, you will have an option of manage your household. And here it says share Prime benefits with no additional cost. You can see there are three options: adult, teen and child. You can add up to 2 adults, 4 teens and 4 child profiles to your Amazon Prime. So select the one that you are trying to add. If you're trying to add an adult, you can tap on add adult and then just select country. Once you're done, tap on set country. Next, you just need to type in the names and the email address. Make sure that the email address is correct because the invitation link will be sent through the email address. Now just tap on continue and tap on agree and continue. From here, you can choose the benefits that you want to share, such as apps and games, audiobooks and ebooks. If you agree, then tap on continue. Now the last thing you need to do is tap on send invite, and once you do, that invitation link will be sent to the other person. The link will be valid up to 14 days only, so make sure that the other person accepts the link or the invitation within the 14-day period. Once the other person accepts the link, they will be added directly as a Prime account member. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.